In this video, we're taking a look at a quick move-in by ICI Homes. Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Heron Real Estate, and today I'm in the Tamaya community located in Jacksonville, Florida. We're going to be taking a look at this Costa Mesa 2 floor plan. Now this is a quick move-in, so if you're looking to move in sooner or looking for a home that is ready now versus building, this might be a fit for you. Now what is unique about Tamaya is the architectural style. You can see we have more of a Tuscan, Mediterranean, Spanish style. And the Costa Mesa 2 features 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a 3-car garage. You can see we have a nice paved driveway. And over here we have the garage opening. Now it does have a 2-car garage opening, but you're gonna have that tandem parking spot that is towards the back of the garage. So that'll be your 3rd car there. Here we walk into the front porch. So pavers all the way to the front porch. You have a 2-door entry. This is an 8-foot entry door. You have nice etched glass design. Let's take a look inside. All right, so here we walk into a nice sized foyer, very spacious, very wide. You have a light fixture up there. And it looks like these are 12-foot ceilings. So you have your 8-foot doorway there. And you have, looks like 10 feet right here. And then you have 2 additional feet. So very tall ceilings. And right here we have a study. You have your French doors there. You have recessed lighting. And the floor is LVP. And we're gonna continue the tour just across the hall. We'll start here to the left. Here we have a bedroom. Now ICI has staged this room. You have carpet in the bedrooms. Now here you have your closet. Now if you're looking to buy a new construction home, be sure to reach out to me first versus going out to the builder, as builders do have a strict policy with having your agent present with you at your first visit. So just want to make sure that if you're looking for a representation and would like me to work with you, that you give me a call first. All right, so here we have a full bath. This is a shared bathroom with bedrooms 3 and 4. You have a nice transom window there for some natural light. You have quartz countertops. Here's another bedroom. Now it's been pre-wired and they are braced for a fan. So if you would want to install a fan after closing. Here's your closet. Let's continue the tour over here. Here we have a storage closet. And then over here to the right, we have the dining room. Nice sized dining room. Large windows as well. And just across we have a nice kitchen. Check out this large island, allowing plenty of seating. You have the stacked cabinets over here with under cabinet lighting. The 12-foot ceilings flow into the common living area. And you have your gourmet style kitchen setup. And here is the mud room. And there you have your garage entry. Over here we have the laundry room. You have your pre-plumbing here for a sink. And Tamaya is a natural gas community, so you do have your stub there for a gas dryer. Or if you prefer an electric dryer, you do have your outlet there. And over here we walk into a nice large living room. You have a fireplace over here. And then you have the transom windows above the sliders. So this room definitely gets a lot of natural light. We're going to continue the tour over here where we have a bathroom. You have the tile going all the way up to the ceiling. And this is a walk-in shower. You have the LVP flowing into the bathroom. Now this is a bedroom that can be used as an entertainment room, an office. You do have a closet here. And a linen closet over here. And this area can be used as a guest room. In this doorway, maybe put some type of door, maybe a barn door, and that'll enclose this area for it to be an ensuite. Let's take a look outside. So you have a paved lanai, lots of lighting. Looks like this is the extended option. And this home does sit on a 75-foot home site. So you can see you have a nice wide home site. Now I would screen this in, and the weather does get very nice in the fall here in Jacksonville. Get a nice breeze, especially today. We have a nice breeze today. And we can open up these sliders, just allow all that nice breeze to come in. And over here, you can build a summer kitchen. You have your pre-plumbing there for a sink, outlets. You have your gas stub there. All right, if you're interested in knowing more about this home or the Tamaya community, or looking to move to Jacksonville, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. I'd love to represent you on the purchase of your new home. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores, a realtor with Heron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.